Hello everyone, I'm Carminia. Welcome to my channel. I am a big fan for the 50s style. I crochet this hairband to match my 50s dress. I think this hairband has just completed the look. I like it very much. It is super easy to make. Hope you will like it too. Let's start. First, choose 4 colors. Make a slip knot. Chain 85. We have chained 85. Now chain 2, then half double crochet stitches. Then half double crochet stitches to every stitch. Put half double crochet stitches into every stitch. I will meet you at the end of the row. We are at the end of the row. We have double crochet into every stitch. Then chain 1, now we are going to weave in the ends. Use the same method to crochet the other 3 straps. I will meet you there. Now we have 4 straps. We make a slip knot. Make sure all the straps are right side facing up. Attach yarn in between first and second stitch. Chain 1, count it as 1 single crochet, another single crochet, then put 2 single crochet into the second straps. The third one, same, put 2 single crochet in between first and second stitch. Put 2 single crochet stitch into the last strap. Then for the row 2, chain 1, turn over, single crochet into every stitch. Row 3, chain 1, turn over. Now I'm going to join in this elastic band. So again, single crochet into every stitch. Then chain 1 for more secure. Cut off. Now we're going to make 4 strand plait. Take right strand over the one next to it. Bring these two together. Bring the left one over them. Take the right one, bring it to the center. And take these two together. Bring the left one over them. So single strand when you come to the right. Then working on these double strands when you work from the left. Then left over these 2 strands. Bring right strand over the next to it. Bring these 2 together. Bring the left over these 2. Take the right strand over the one next to it. Then bring these 2 together. Bring the left over these 2. Bring right strand over to the one next to it. Then bring these 2 together. Bring the left over them. Just continue this. I will meet you at the end of the plait. We are at the end of plait. Make a slip knot. Attach yarn again in between the first and second stitch. Chain 1, count as 1 single crochet. Put another single crochet. Then 2 single crochet into the second strap in between the first and second stitch. 2 single crochet again, and then 2 single crochet into the last strand. Chain 1, turn over. Again, single crochet stitch into every stitch. Chain 1. For the row 3, we're going to join the elastic band as before. Okay, make sure it is on the right hand side. It is on the right side, I mean. Okay, now we're going to crochet the elastic band in as well. So put single crochet stitches into every stitch. Then we chain 1 for more secure. Okay, we have finished our project. Don't forget to weave in all the ends. And you can adjust the plait to make it tidier if you like. That's all. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Thank you.